Kalyani ma'am, I am also entering from another device where
Yes.
Naitik Dwivedi is written. Please unmute
Yes, ma'am.
that also. I said I am entering from two devices. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you,
And
Yes.
Kalyani.
Infos
Yes.
ma'am will enter. So please unmute her also.
Okay.
कल्याणी मैम कुछ नहीं.
I request all my children to switch on their video. Switch on your video, children. So, children, be ready as I am going
Thank
to
you.
start our workshop. So all of you, mute your mic. Mansi. Fine. So here we go. And pay attention everyone because I am going to ask you questions as well. मैं आपसे questions भी पूछूंगी बीच बीच में. So pay attention every one of you. Okay? So now I'm going to start our workshop. Time is like a river. You cannot touch the same water twice because the flow that has passed will never come again. Keeping this quote in mind, I, Radha Divedi, along with my co-teachers Alka Dubey and Kalyani Das ma'am, welcome you all in today's workshop. In this workshop, we will talk about how to plan your daily routine, which should be productive and result oriented. Today, we all will share few tips with you how to manage your time effectively. Good morning, respected Timsi ma'am, Bose ma'am, my dear mentors, my dear parents, and lovely children. Today, we are going to talk about time management as I told you. Time management, time management, time management. What is time management all about? Time management means how to manage the time so that you can get more free time and the work will also be productive. It is the process of organizing and planning how to divide your time amongst specific activities. Now, let's see two students how they are managing their time and who is managing time effectively and achieving goals. Here we go.
Mom, tomorrow my first period is of science at 9 a.m. So I must go to sleep early. Good night, Mom.
Naitik, go and sleep. Tomorrow you have science class at 9 a.m.
Mom, after watching television, I will sleep.
Naitik, go and sleep. It is 12 midnight. Otherwise, you will miss your morning assembly also, which is very, very important. Next morning, Mansi attended her class, but Naitik was marked absent. So now question time. So children, tell me, what did you understand by this situation? What? Now let me see who will answer me. Quickly. quickly. Let me see who is going to answer me. Quickly, who is going to answer me? Kalyani ma'am, let's find out answers from students. What do you say? Let me ask. Okay. So Kalyani ma'am is saying yes, you should ask them. So let me see who is going.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Kalyani ma'am. So now you tell me to whom I should ask. Okay, very good. Agam will give me answer. So Agam, tell me, क्या समझ में आया ये scene देख के आपको? What you understood? जो भी समझ में आया हो आपको. We should.
Ma'am, can I tell in Hindi?
हाँ, no problem. Tell me.
Yes.
I can tell. हमको सुबह मतलब रात को ज्यादा टीवी या मोबाइल नहीं देखना चाहिए.
Shabash, very good. Anyone else, Kalyani ma'am? Now let us see who is going to give us answers, Kalyani ma'am. All are very excited to give answers. All are brilliant. Actually, they know each and everything. Yes, all are very intelligent. See how intelligent they are, and they want to give answers. They are raising their hands. Yes. Very good. Okay, fine. Children, seasons are coming and going.
Aditya Manjari.
Acha, Aditya wants to say. Okay, Aditya, say beta. आदित्य अनम्यूट करो अपने आप को बेटे. हाँ, स्पीकर बोलिए. आपको क्या समझ में आया ये सीन देखकर बेटा? हाँ, क्या समझ में आया ये सीन देख के आपको? अभी हमने जो सीन आपको दिखाया, आपको क्या समझ में आया? चलो कोई बात नहीं, अब आप ध्यान से सुनना. ओके, चलो म्यूट कर लो अपने आप को जल्दी से. आदित्य म्यूट योरसेल्फ, म्यूट कर लो बेटे, कोई बात नहीं. Children, it's not very easy to wake up in winters, especially in winters. Wake up early, especially in winters. किस को लगता है कि थोड़ा और सो जाते हैं 5 minutes के लिए? Tell me, who is saying mama 5 minutes और mama 5 minutes और? Who says 5 more minutes? Who is saying? Raise your hands, I want to see. Okay, देखो सब लोग कह रहे. Everyone is saying that. I am also saying yes. Mama 5 minutes or mama 5 minutes or. Children, seasons are coming and going. But should we change our timetable according to seasons? Tell me. Should we change our timetable according to seasons? If yes, so thumbs up. If down, if you want to say no, so thumbs down. Okay, so some are saying we should change and some are saying we should not change our timetable according to seasons. Very good. What I personally feel that according to seasons, we should not change our timetable. Because seasons are coming and they are going. We should be strict. We should be strict towards whatever we have prepared. I will give you one example. In school, we have one specific class timetable. Do we have a specific class timetable? First period English का है, then Hindi, then EVS, then maths, then activity period, then lunch period. ऐसा क्यों है? Why? Because अगर सारे periods एक साथ हो जाएंगे या सारे teachers एक साथ class में आ जाएंगे, so is it possible to understand or to learn something? Is it possible? क्या possible हो पाएगा सबके लिए? एक साथ सारे subjects को समझना? No, it is not possible. That's why school has given us a specific timetable so that at a time one period will go. Timetable teaches us discipline. Timetable teaches us discipline. So what we all have to do? We should prepare our own timetable. हमें क्या करना है? हमें अपना timetable बनाना है. ठीक है? क्यों बनाना है? So that हम सारा work जो भी हमारा है उसको systematically कर सके. जो भी हमने डिसाइड किया है, इफ यू डिसाइडेड दैट मैं इस टाइम पे ये सब्जेक्ट की लर्निंग करूंगा, इस टाइम पे मैं ये रिटन वर्क करूंगा, सो यू शुड डू दैट वर्क एज पर योर टाइम टेबल, है ना। टाइम टेबल टीचर्स एज डिसिप्लिन, हमें सिस्टमैटिक बनाता है, वी कैन डू आवर वर्क सिस्टमैटिकली, है ना। वो आप अपना बनाएंगे और उसको फॉलो करना है, मैं आपको बना के दूंगी नहीं, वो मजा नहीं आएगा। आप अपने आप बनाइए, अपने खुद के गोल्स रखिए, उसको अचीव कीजिए एंड प्रॉमिस टू योरसेल्फ कि मैंने आज जो सोचा है मैं आज उसे करके रहूंगा या करके रहूंगी। डू यू एग्री विद मी? शुड वी प्रॉमिस आवरसेल्फ? शुड वी? क्या हमें सोचना चाहिए, अपने आप को प्रॉमिस करना चाहिए? यस। जस्ट नाउ वी सॉ टू सिचुएशंस. In one situation,
Yes.
Mansi slept early by 9 p.m. But Netik, he was watching television till 12 midnight. If Mansi is right, thumbs up. If Netik is wrong, thumbs down. Let me see. Let me see. Okay, very good answers. All are saying that Mansi is right and Netik is wrong. Very good. So what we are learning? There is a proverb. Early to bed and early to rise makes a man healthy, wealthy and wise. What this proverb tells us? What is the meaning of this proverb? This proverb says रात को जल्दी सोना है और सुबह जल्दी उठना है. Why? When you will sleep early and wake up early, you will feel more energetic. You will get extra time to do the activities in which you are interested. It can be reading newspaper. Okay, you can even do physical exercise. You can do yoga. You can do meditation. So many other activities are there in which you are interested and you can do. But उसके लिए क्या करना है? रात को जल्दी सोना है और सुबह जल्दी उठना है. ये चीज तभी पॉसिबल हो पाएगी. ओके, so what you have to promise me from today onwards, you have to promise me that you will prepare your own timetable and you will follow it religiously. If you will prepare your timetable, show me thumbs up. Show me thumbs up if you all will prepare your timetable. Yes, you all will prepare your timetable. Follow it religiously means दिल से फॉलो करना है. ऐसा नहीं कि हमने टाइम टेबल बना दिया और रख दिया, नहीं, हमें उसे फॉलो करना है. Are you understanding what I'm explaining to you? You should prepare your timetable and you should follow it. Follow करना तो बहुत जरूरी है ना. अगर हम follow नहीं करेंगे तो उसका क्या यूज होगा? So now to understand better about time management, let's see another situation. Here we go.
Mom, do you know tomorrow is my class test? As per my timetable, at 5 p.m., I will do my revision for test.
Netik, have you prepared your class test?
Mom, I will learn in the evening. Let me play.
Time passes and the day has come to give test. Now we can see children are
And after playing. After playing.
Wow, all the questions are so easy. Thank God I revised at the evening.
Paper is very difficult. I am unable to solve it. Oh God, Mom will scold me. I don't know anything. I would have prepared for my test yesterday.
You saw that Mansi is able best in her test, whereas Natik is unable to give. Can anybody tell me? Can please raise your hand?
Because he has not learned.
Okay, Khush, very good.
Because he don't learn.
Because
Okay,
he has
okay,
not
very good.
questions and answers. Because he don't.
Because he has not
Because he
learned
not
it.
learn.
Oh, better now mute
Because he
yourself,
didn't
everybody.
prepare.
Okay, children.
He not
Ma'am,
learn.
because he don't learn.
Yes, because.
Because he not learn.
Because he not
Okay,
learn.
now mute everyone. Mute everyone. Mute yourself. Yes, because Mansi utilized her time project finished किया. Whereas Natik is also sincere. He got distracted easily. Students, generally what we do? हम पहले कर लेते हैं और डिफिकल्ट वाला कल पर छोड़ देते हैं या बाद में करेंगे ये सोचते हैं. We always try to complete the task first and leave the task for later. Complete your difficult task first. You will be relaxed, stress-free, and you will save your time as well. Never do tomorrow because tomorrow never comes. Let's see. 3.
Mom, today I have decided to arrange my bookshelf.
Yes, I will also arrange my bookshelf.
Mom, come and see. I have arranged my bookshelf.
Natik, have you arranged the bookshelf?
bookshelf is arranged properly.
Thank you, Mom.
Natik, have you arranged your bookshelf?
Oh no, sorry, mom. Oh no, sorry, mom. I was busy in playing. It skipped from my mind. Tomorrow, pakka I will.
Children, as you saw that Natik was so excited. Well, he got distracted. Children, जैसे कि 9 AM पर DWT होमवर्क मिल जाता है. Yes or no? पर हम में से कुछ ऐसे भी कर लेते हैं पर कुछ याद आ जाता है और हम भूल जाते हैं. लास्ट होता क्या है, हम का DWT नहीं कर पाते हैं और हमारा काम क्योंकि टुडे. यस और नो? और अब हमें लगता कि हम पहले कौन सा करें और यही सोचते सोचते दिन नहीं आता है, फिर उस दिन का भी आता है. Children, please try to do your DWT on time. It is for tomorrow. If you complete your task on time, you will be able to understand the next day's task easily. As we know that each day's task is related to next day's task. Children, success comes to those who manage actively. Work should be done on daily basis. We should not keep it for tomorrow because tomorrow never comes. Let's see next situation. More clear to you all.
Mom, please turn off TV as I am studying. I am not able to focus on studies. I am losing my concentration.
Natik, have you completed your schoolwork?
Mom, I am doing, but it is still incomplete.
हाँ, वो मुझे दिख रहा है. एक साइड तो टीवी चल रहा है, दूसरी साइड मोबाइल का यूज हो रहा है, तो वर्क कैसे कंप्लीट होगा? मैंने आपसे हमेशा कहा है, एक टाइम पे एक ही काम किया कीजिए. जल्दी से मोबाइल रखिए। सबसे पहली बात तो स्टडी के टाइम पे आपने मोबाइल को यूज करना ही नहीं है। दिस इज वेरी बैड।
Students, as you saw, Mansi was doing her work sincerely. Do you think so? She was doing her work sincerely. How many of you? Yes, very good, Shashwat. She was doing her work sincerely because she was doing her work with full focus. On the other hand, Natik was not paying attention as he was busy in playing games on mobiles. Do you play games on mobiles? Honest answer. Honest answer. Seriously, honest answer. Yes, correct. Thank you. Thank you, students, one and all. Thank you.
Only 2 games.
Yes, yes. So, students, if you will be completing your work by watching television or playing games on mobile, you may commit mistakes. Did you understand? Because you will not be paying full attention, full concentration will not be there. So you may commit your mistakes. Many mistakes will be there and your time will be wasted. Do you want to waste your time? क्या आप अपना time waste करना चाहते हैं? I think nobody wants, right? Yes. So अगर हम एक बार में एक काम नहीं करेंगे with full focus, with full concentration, then the time will be wasted. The time तो waste होगा. And time is very precious. इसको हमें waste नहीं करना चाहिए. So what shall all we do? हमें क्या करना चाहिए? हमें एक बार में एक ही काम करना चाहिए. When we are completing our homework या study कर रहे हैं, yes, या study कर रहे हैं, तो हम सिर्फ study करेंगे. No need to watch television or playing games on mobile. Okay. Let's see another scene.
Naitik, have you taken lunch?
Mom, I will take my lunch at 2 p.m.
At 2 p.m. you have your class. अब आपकी क्लास है, आपकी क्लास में सो जाएगी अगर आप 2 p.m. पे लंच करेंगे तो.
Okay, Mom, give me. I will eat.
Okay, take this. देखा, लेट हो गए ना क्लास के लिए 10 मिनट्स के लिए. अब मैम आपको एब्सेंट मार्क कर देंगी.
Mom, please give me lunch because at 2 o'clock there is my English class. I don't want to be late and miss that class.
Yes, students. Did you notice something? क्या आपने कुछ notice किया? How many of you do the same as Naitik did? कितने बच्चे हैं जो वैसा करते हैं जो नैतिक ने किया था? Honest answer again. Like students, if you will do like Naitik, either you will skip your lunch or your class of 2 p.m. If you will miss the class of 2 p.m., is it a good thing? Is it a good thing that you are going to miss your class of 2 p.m.? No, I think we should not skip the class of 2 p.m. So yes, if you will skip your class of 2 p.m., that is very bad. We should not skip anything, neither lunch nor the class of 2 p.m. But how can we be punctual? This is a big question. For that, you all will have to follow your timetable. If you will follow your timetable, you will take your lunch on time and you will attend the class of 2 p.m. also. If you will take your lunch, then you will be energetic, no dizziness, आपको बिल्कुल आलस नहीं आएगा, and you are going to attend the class of 2 p.m. also. 2 बजे की class भी attend कर लेंगे. And do you know, if you will not attend the class of 2 p.m., what will be the consequences? आपका concept clear नहीं होगा, आपका topic छूट जाएगा, आपका explanation छूट जाएगा, and the most important thing, attendance, वो भी short हो जाएगी. Do you want that? These all the things.
time.
No, कोई नहीं चाहता ना? Then show your thumb down. जल्दी से बताओ. अगर नहीं चाहते हो, then show me thumb down. Very good. Yes. So what you all will have to do? I need a promise. Will you promise me a thing? क्या आप मुझे एक promise दोगे? दोगे? Okay. For that, you all of you stand up. मैं भी खड़े हो रही हूँ, आप भी खड़े हो जाओ. Stand up, please. All of you stand up. Stand up. जल्दी से खड़े हो जाओ. And let me see your empty hands. अपने empty hands दिखाइए. Yes, in this manner also, in this manner also. Very good. Okay, now do like this. As we promised, no, to some, yes. Do like this. All of you do. Yes. Acha. Most important thing, nobody will unmute. Nobody will unmute. Okay. Only Natik and Mansi. Only. If you are obedient, nobody will unmute. Very good. Now do like this because it is promise time. And you all will promise me that we will, yes, we will follow our timetable
We will follow our timetable
and will never skip the class of 2 p.m.
And will never skip the
and
class
will never
of 2
skip the
p.m.
class of 2 p.m.
Very good. This is your promise and I hope you all will fulfill it. Will you? Show me thumb up. अगर आप honest हैं इसको complete करेंगे? Yes. Now all of you sit down now. सभी बैठो. And I just want to interact with a student. Whom shall I? Okay. Kalyani ma'am, please suggest a name.
Yes.
Yes. I just want to interact with a student here. Yes.
Arna Mittal.
Arna Mittal, please unmute yourself, beta. You please revise the promise that just now you promised me, no? What was the promise?
I
will never miss the class of 2 p.m. and I will follow my timetable also. Very good. All the students clap for yourself. Very nicely you did. Very good. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Dear student, we all the workshop about time management. Let's revise what we First of all, wake up at 7 a.m. Freshen up till 8 a.m. Take your breakfast till 8:30 a.m. Attend your assembly at 9 a.m. Attend first period on time, second period and activity period on time. Be ready with your activity material so that you can utilize your time. Take your lunch between 1 to 1:30 p.m. Okay? Then attend your next class at 2 p.m. After attending the class, there is your activity class at 2:30 p.m. After attending activity class, take a nap p.m. so that you are energetic and fresh. After that, take milk or snacks at 4 p.m. Most important, self-study time between which will be great for your future. Next comes fun time, that is 6 to 7 p.m. After between 7:30 to 8. After taking dinner, wear mask and walk in front of your house or on the terrace or in the balcony of your house. And bedtime stories if you're not going for a walk. Last but not the least, sleeping time, that is 9 to 9:30 p.m. Okay, children, you all so that and you will be able to attend your class attentively. Hope, children, that you all will follow this daily routine regularly. Though I know strong planning is required to achieve success. This time will help you to remain healthy in this tough time. And I hope you have understood that we should always use time fruitfully. Now, I would like to hand over the mic to Bose ma'am to address
Good
our
afternoon.
student.
Thank you, Kalyani madam. Am I audible?
Yes,
Am
ma'am.
I audible, Kalyani madam?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Good
ma'am.
afternoon. Okay. Good afternoon, respected Tipsy madam, all my mentors of advanced school and the advanced school, and my lovely children. I think this was a fruitful workshop for you because you all are small kids and you can easily prepare your timetable according to your own suitable timings. But if you make this timetable, you will find that you are able to attend all the classes very successfully. Otherwise, you are in panic, you are in tension. Okay, mothers say that they are not able to attend activity time. They're not. It is of 20 minutes. They're not able to attend this period. Make your own timetable. Now you are grown up. 7-8 months are over. You have been habituated with online classes, with all the teachers, with all your materials. Okay, now utilize, keep everything ready beside you so that one after another, when you are having back-to-back class, hardly once in a week or twice a week, you will be able to attend all the classes successfully and your attendance will be 100% like offline. Okay, so prepare your own timetable, be safe and be happy. Okay, children, bye. I give it to Kalyani madam.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. I will end this workshop with the quote, productivity is never an accident. I repeat, productivity is never an accident. It is always the result of commitment to excellence, intelligent planning, and focused effort. Children, you will get one worksheet based on today's workshop, that is time management. After completing, please mail it previous teachers. Thank you and have a great day ahead. Okay, children. Bye-bye. Take care. Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, beta. Follow your timetable.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.